In recent time, we have witnessed in some jaw-dropping phenomena and across the global massive crack opening up the earth's surface and 16 foot and deep gaping hole and suddenly appearing. But what really going on beneath our feet, or this just natural occurrences? Is there something much more alarming and happen? This earth and shattering event may seem terrifying, but they are actually then result of complex geological processes, crack and holes in the earth's surface are caused by the force and deep within the earth. When the earth and tectonic plates shift or move, the create stress and pressure. This pressure can crack surface, causing deep and fissure, and sometimes it is caused by the volcanic activity underground water origin, origin. And this crack can also be a sign of impending earthquake as the tectonic plates release belt of energy. Earthquake often precede or follow the appearance of the massive feature. This earth crust is constantly in the motion with tectonic tectonic these plates and collide and slide patch each chuppe enough the sometime the violation cement and activities, but is not just a tectonic shift. Human activity like mining and drilling, even our use of groundwater and use halt sink leading sinkhole and deep holes. This can appear with warning cause immense damage. Sinking can occur when the ground below is the eroded or extracted and the weight of the land collapse. It is pose and but human activities and can back overs. Volcanic activity is another culprit as magma pushes through the surface and cause crack and holes, sometimes leading to large fissures that can swallow entire. This massive and crack and hole can have serious and consequences. They can disrupt local communities, cause reportedly damage, and even lead to deadly landslides, earthquake. So the massive and crack may seem like a sign of doom. They actually barajole just remind of the constant movement and beneath our feet earth को बंद करने गए. Geology is always shifting and must learn to understand and deep and from the tectonic plates to volcanic eruption with is constantly in the motion. And while these massive crack and hole might seem like the end of the world, the just and natural port of plants ever change landscape. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.